Okay, students, listen. Almost I have covered the portion. Means the one of the derivations I have covered already. Just I had to finalize that particular derivation, superposition theorem. Okay. So here I have chosen, in the case of superposition theorem, here I have chosen a network which is containing three impedances, two EMFs. Two EMFs and three impedances I have selected. And I have selected in one of the meshes, current flowing is I1. In another mesh, current flowing is equal to I2. I will apply the Kirchhoff's second law for this mesh as well as for this mesh, for this and this. But here the current is flowing like this, I1. Here the current flowing is I2. Through this, current flowing is not I1, it is not I2. It is equal to I1. Here it is I2. Here it is I1. Here it is I2. Together it is flowing. Here it is I1 plus I2. So you are supposed to take current into impedance. Here I1 into Z1 plus I1 plus I2 into Z3 is equal to, here it is E1, is equal to E1. Multiply, rearrange it, you will get equation number 1. For this mesh, if you are applying, here E2 is equal to current flowing, here it is I2 into Z2, I2 into Z2, current into opposition, current into impedance. You have to multiply current into impedance. I2 into Z2. Here the current flowing is I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 into Z3 is equal to E2. Rearrange them. Okay, you will get equation number 2. Now the next idea, I will remove E2 and I will put only E1. Then current flowing, here it is I1 dash, here it is I2 dash I will consider. Again, I will apply the Kirchhoff's second law. Third idea, I will keep E2 and I will remove E1. I will remove E1 and I will keep E2. Here I1 double dash is the current flowing. Here the current flowing is I2 double dash. Again, I suppose to apply the Kirchhoff's second law for both the meshes. Okay, just I have already explained that one. Just to see that here E2 it has been removed. E1 only is present for this mesh. I1 into Z1, I1, here it is I1 dash, of course, I1 dash into Z1, I1 dash plus I2 dash into Z3 is equal to E1. For this, here there is no EMF. Here there is no EMF, 0 is equal to here I2 dash into Z2, I2 dash into Z2. Here the current flowing is I1 dash into I2 dash into Z3 is equal to 0. Rearrange them. You will get equation number 4. Here basic idea is Kirchhoff's second law. That is a basic idea. If you know Kirchhoff's second law, it is very easy. Means EMF is equal to current into opposition plus EMF into, current into opposition. EMF is equal to, sum of the EMFs is equal to current into the particular opposition in which it is flowing plus current into opposition. Nothing else, same idea, it is holds good. Okay, next one, I will keep E2 present, E1 I will going to remove that. If you are removing E1 and E2 is present, again we are supposed to get two more equations for the two, whatever the branches or maybe the meshes. The two loops are there. For the two meshes or for the two loops, we have to write again two more equations. Here, E2 is absent, E1 is present. E1 is present, E2 is absent. Here, E2 is present, E1 is absent. Now here it is, no EMF is present, therefore 0. But here I1 double dash into Z1. Here I2 double dash, here I1 double dash plus I2 double dash into Z3 is equal to 0. Rearrange that. In this case here, E2 is equal to here, E2. But here the current flowing is I2 dash, I2 double dash into Z2. Here the current is I1 double dash plus I2 double dash into Z3 is equal to E2. Rearrange them. You will get equation number 6. Now, adding equation 3 and equation number 4. Equation number 5. Equation number 3 and equation number 5. Equation number 3 is here. I have written that equation number 3, E1. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. This is 0. This is 0 plus this. Now Z1 plus Z3, common factor, I1 dash plus I1 double dash, plus Z3 common factor here, I2 dash plus I2 double dash. I will take it as equation number 7. Take equation number 4 and equation number 6, add it. Take equation number 4. Equation number 4, 0 is equal to this. 0 is equal to this. Equation number 6. Equation number 6. Equation number 6 is here. E2, Z2 plus Z3, I2 double dash plus Z3, I1 double dash, Z3, I1 double dash. Z2 plus Z3 common factor, I2 dash plus I2 double dash, plus Z3, I1 dash plus I1 double dash. Take it as equation number 8. Take it as equation number 8. Taking the common factor and writing this. Now we will going to compare equation number 7 and equation number 1, equation number 8 and equation number 2. So which are the two things that we are going to equate? Equation 7 and equation number 1. And we have to equate equation number 8 and equation number 2. We are supposed to equate. Let us equate these two equations. First, 7 and 1. This is 7. 1, equation number 1. Equation number 1. Okay. I'm showing both 7 and 1. This and this. See that E1, E1. E1, E1. No problem. Left hand side, they are equal. Therefore, right hand side must be equal. Z1 plus Z3, Z1 plus Z3. Plus Z3 plus Z3. In place of I1, I1 dash plus I1 double dash is present. In place of I2, I2 dash plus I2 double dash is present. That one only I have written. So what I have to write? I1 is equal to I1 dash plus I1 double dash. I1 dash plus I1 double dash. I1. Then I2 is equal to, this is I2. I2 is equal to I2 dash plus I2. Z3, Z3. In place of I2, I2 dash plus I2 double dash is there. I2 is equal to I2 dash plus I2 double dash. Right. Now let us consider equation number 8 and equation number 2. This is equation number 8. Equation number 2 is here. This is equation number 2. Okay. Equation number 8, equation number 2. E2, E2. Left hand side, they are equal. Z2 plus Z3, Z2 plus Z3. In place of I2 here, I2 dash plus I2 double dash is present. I2 is equal to I2 dash plus I2 double dash. In place of I2, I2 dash plus I2 double dash. Same thing. Then Z3, Z3. I1 is equal to here. I1 is equal to I1 dash plus I1 double dash. I1 dash plus I1 double dash. That is I1. So what is that meaning? Now going back to the main idea, what is that statement? Going back to the main idea, that is statement. What we have proved so far, I1 is equal to statement. It says that I1 is equal to I1 dash plus I1 double dash. I1 dash plus I1 double dash. I2 is equal to I2 dash plus I2 double dash. I2 double dash. That is to be proved. It has been proved. That is a statement. Mathematical expression that I have written this statement in the form of mathematical equations. So what is that statement? Let us consider any linear circuit, linear network. If there are more than one EMF, more than one impedances are present, then the current flowing in any element, see that the current flowing in any element, this element, in this element, current flowing is I1. In this element here, current flowing is I2. Either I1 or I2. Either I1 or I2. Current flowing in any element is equal to algebraic summation of the sum of, algebraic summation of means the sum of, the algebraic summation of the currents that would separately flow, the currents that would separately flow. It is a separate current. This is a separate current. This is a separate current. This is a separate current. Only one EMF is present. When only one EMF is present, here it is only one EMF is present. Separately current, it is said to be flowing in that particular element. If each source of EMF considered separately means we have chosen E1, E2 is absent. We have chosen E2, E1 is absent. Like that, if we are choosing, then only the current flowing here, it is I1 dash. If E2 is absent, current flowing is I1 dash and I2 dash. If E2 is present, E1 is absent, the current flowing is I1 double dash and I2 double dash. So we have taken the algebraic summation of both the types of currents here. Now, then only this main current I1 is equal to here. That whatever the current flowing in each element is given by the algebraic summation of this currents, whatever is flowing through that particular network where we have considered only the EMF. Only one EMF we have chosen, another EMF, another way we have chosen. Okay, go through that. Just to go through this. Hello, Haley. College ready ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಫುಲ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಹಲೋ 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 I will show it again. Just go through this. Except the wordings in the statement, except that one, everything is finished. Now, one concept is over. For that purpose, I took it again the class. This is a circuit. We are asking this question for about 7 or 8 marks. Statement you want now? Okay, this is a statement. Statement: in any linear network, if there are more than one source of EMF and impedances, then the current flowing in any element is equal to the algebraic summation of the currents that would separately flow in that element if each source of EMF were considered separately.